Catching a swarm, ecomonthly.com. Place a box near where the swarm has gathered. Then cut the branch the swarm is on, and gently transfer the swarm by laying it on top of the box. Eventually, the bees will settle into the box and you can put the lid on and come back later that night to take it to its new home. One week later, I checked on the hive and found that they had constructed their honeycomb perpendicular to the box, reminding me of the wild hive I found in Cuba. Live on, wild swarm. Catching a swarm, ecomonthly.com.